Good evening, everyone. So I wanted to do a voice devlog to give an update on this Elysium inspired project I've been working on. So today I incorporated something that I've been wanting to for weeks, and that is actual working RPG elements. And so starting off, you can see my player has a player stat script, which has your standard D&D stat, which is strength, dexterity, constitution, intelligence, wisdom, and charisma. And based on the 5th edition manual, you get a certain modifier from each of the stat, which can be used in both combat and dialogue. So let me show you my player stat real quick, where I've used enums for this as well as dictionary. And okay, so let me show you a practical demonstration. If I work up to this sofa, I can interact with it, and as you can see, I have a special choice on this sofa. So let me show you the node I have for this sofa. So the node has a special choice, and the type is wisdom, and it has a difficulty class of 10. So if I roll a d20 and I get more than 10, equal to or more than 10, then I will have access to an exclusive success dialogue. But if I fail this check, I will get a failure node instead. So I can set this to any type of check I want, as well as set the difficulty class however I want. I can create nodes and attach dialogue. So let's try rolling this dice here. Okay, that's the nat one. So I failed at this check. Okay, let me show you something even more interesting. I found this model of Hinako online. So let's try talking to her. I gave her a full conversation. So she actually has two checks, a charisma check and a wisdom check. So with the charisma check, I can convince her to tell me what's wrong, or I can roll the wisdom dice to figure out what's wrong with her. So you can see the wisdom dice has a higher difficulty class, and my player has a charisma of 13, which should give me a modifier of +2, whereas I should only get uh 0 for wisdom. So let's try the charisma check here. Okay, I failed that check. Let's try that again. Yeah, I didn't attach auto rotate. So okay, a nat 20 success. So I've convinced her, and now she will actually tell me what's wrong with her, which is I'm getting married soon. Silent Hill F reference. Oh yeah, that's all I've been working on. Um, thank you for watching this.